In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add music to your WhatsApp status. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, and first of all we need to create a story. So just swipe to the right, tap at create, then tap at stickers, select music sticker, and then you can choose any song from that list, just like that. After that, the music will start playing. We can tap at done and then tap at these three dots. That's where we should tap at save to save that particular story to our camera roll. And then we can hop out Instagram and open up WhatsApp. After that, go to status, tap at camera sign, and then choose a video you have just created, just like that. After that, we can add a caption for that status and then just tap at send. That's it. Now you know how you can easily add music to your WhatsApp status. Then you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.